If you've ever wondered how the fuel gauges work in an old plane, this is from one of the wing tanks of a 1946 Luscombe 8E. And as you're sitting in the cockpit, you just turn your head directly to the left or to the right, and you see a gauge like this. And as the float moves up and down, the needle moves to indicate the fuel level. And we've got empty here, and then 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and full over there. And the way it works is pretty simple. You've just got a float that moves up and down, and sort of a curved rack and a pinion. And as this float moves up and down and pivots here, it turns this vertical motion into a rotating motion here. And that's a magnet. Kind of looks like a horseshoe. Kind of looks like what you'd think a magnet might look like, or those old school horse-shaped magnets we played with when we were kids. And so that doesn't even touch anything. So there's got to be some metal attached to this pointer behind the scenes, so that when that magnet rotates, that gets translated into the needle rotating. So that's it. Pretty simple. I almost said pretty reliable, except when I bought my plane, the right hand gauge was stuck, and I removed it, and it didn't seem stuck at all. So I'm not sure what was going on, but if I put it back now, I think it would work just fine. So 1946 Luscombe tail dragger fuel gauge.